Welcome to day 13. Today you're going to need a Pilates ball or perhaps a folded towel. Some of the exercises you can do without any equipment. If you haven't got it, that's fine too. So make sure you're fully warmed up, and we're going to start in standing. We're going to do a little bit of ankle work and balance, so be near the wall if you need to. So place the ball between your ankles. We're going to start with foot series. So spread the toes, get a good base of support. Soften the knees. We're going to allow the heels to rise, find your balance, and then let the knees bend, keeping your heels up. Lower your heels and stand. So with that kind of nice series, see if you can find a nice flow. So inhaling, hold, and then exhaling. Squeeze the ball, find your inner thighs. You might find that will help with your balance. Use the wall, as I said, if needed. Challenge your balance. Help to strengthen your ankles and your calf muscles. I think I'm standing on a squeaky floorboard. You can hear it. Okay, let's reverse. So bend the knees, let the heels rise, and then stand. So we're just reversing, coming into a squat, heels rise, and then stand. A little bit more ankle stability, footwork. Just check all the 10 toes stay grounded. You're not letting your big toes particularly tend to want to fly. We'll do a couple more here. Well done. Okay, so let's take a little roll down onto our hands and knees, dropping chin to chest. Find that stretch down the back body. And then we're going to come and place the ball, if you have one, into the back of your knee. You can stay on your hands or drop onto your forearms. Flex your foot, kick your back foot up and down for 10. Find your hip end of range extension. Feel your left buttock. You might feel a little bit of work into the right buttock too, into your stabilizing side. And then we're going to take the leg out to the side for 10. So try and keep your pelvis level with the floor and see if you can feel your end of range hip abduction. So you might actually feel a block to your movement of your leg out to the side. Try not to travel past that. That's your end range hip. Feel your outer glutes. No need to go any further than that. Bring the ball to the back of your right knee. Flex your right foot. So give the ball a bit of a squeeze. Push the floor away, chin back towards your throat. 10 forwards and backwards with your knee. Pushing your heel to the ceiling, keeping your pelvis level. Notice if the head starts to lower, keep the chin drawing back towards your throat. Pressing the floor away with your arms so you get a little space between your shoulder blades. Taking the leg out and in. Finding your end range, hip abduction. Well done. Remove your ball and take a shell stretch. I'm going to come and lie on your back and place the ball underneath your pelvis. So lift your hips. Know the ball can go higher or lower depending on how hard you want your tummy to work. So we're going to keep the fingertips light on the floor. Bend the knees out in towards the shoulders. Flex the feet as you push away. Inhale, knees return. Exhale, push. Feel the work in your legs as you push them away. Feel the stability in your tummy as you hold the weight of your legs. If you want more work in your tummy muscles, put the ball a little bit higher, up your back, If you too much, put the ball a little bit lower. You need to move it a millimetre or so. Okay, reach the feet up to the ceiling, point, flex as you lower, inhale, exhale. So if this is too much, feel free to bend the knees and tap the toes to the floor. Bent knee toe taps, so you can do singles as well if need be. So feel the strength in your thigh muscles, feel the stability in your tummy muscles. Start to add a pause. Add a pause. Just do 3 more. Exhaling. And then hug the knees in. Pop the feet down, remove your ball, come onto kneeling and bring the ball over to the side. So your top leg's extended, reaching toes and head. So stack of books would do underneath your hand. Bring your underneath hip forward, take your top leg back and really feel you're opening up the front of your right hip. Point and flex. Strong thigh. 6, feel your waist muscles, quadriceps, outer glutes. Hold your next lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balance, balance, balance as you come up. Change hands. And extend your toes, your leg, reach your head in one direction, foot in the other. Point and flex. Relax your shoulders. Make sure you're taking your leg back slightly so you're feeling your outer glutes. Encourage your underneath hip forward so you're feeling the side you're kneeling on as well. Hold the top leg lifted for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming onto your front, we'll do some rolling cobras. Legs can be out parallel or wide if the back's feeling a little bit stiff this morning. Stack your hands, option to have your hands and just do some normal cobras. Let the head rest between the tops of the arms. Draw the shoulder blades down your back, pressing into your ball as you lengthen and lift. And then release. So to start off with, you can just come to the bottom of the rib cage. So you feel all these muscles working down the side, your triceps, your latissimus dorsi. The higher you come up into your cobra, the more you need to just gently encourage your pubic bone down towards the mat to create a little bit of length in your low back. So you can roll up and down just to the rib cage, sending the breastbone towards the top of your mat. You can feel that between your shoulder blades and your upper back. The neck and head really don't take part a huge amount in this. The chin is gently back towards the throat, and really the position of the head and neck stay the same all the way down and up. Try and enjoy the extension from the base of your neck, so between your shoulder blades down to the top of your pelvis. The higher you come up, start to gently press your feet into the mat, a little bit of pubic bone pressure. Well done. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and take a stretch back into child's pose. Take a few breaths here. So you're very welcome to go through those exercises again once or twice, and then your exercise is done in that department. Okay, well done. See you tomorrow.